Work smarter. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.
Your debugger's eating RAM, choking on SSL, and can't run in CI. You're basically watching traffic through a fogged-up window. Meet Fluxzy, the open-source cross-platform HTTP interceptor that finally lets you see every packet in plain text, offline and without a subscription. Right now, go to Fluxzy.io and grab the Tori-based client, because the moment you launch it, your RAM usage stays low while you capture native PCAPs per request. SSL keys are baked into the capture, so Wireshark instantly shows clear text traffic without any extra steps. The core engine was built for LAN monitoring and synthetic testing, and it outpaces a default Squid MIDM setup by a wide margin. Write a single YAML rule file and run it anywhere on your desktop, from the command line or inside Docker, and the same logic applies everywhere, so you never have to rewrite rules for different environments. Switch TLS fingerprinting between Bouncy Castle or your operating system's library with a single click, giving you full control over how TLS handshakes are presented. Set breakpoints wherever you need them. Inspect HTTP2 streams, launch browsers or terminals directly from the UI, and export HAR files with one button press. Choose from more than 40 built-in actions to mutate requests and responses on the fly, add headers, delay responses, inject payloads, or drop connections entirely. All of these features stay completely free, fully offline, and ready for headless CI pipelines, meaning you can integrate Fluxzy into automated tests without ever exposing a cloud service. Imagine a CI job that spins up a Docker container, runs your test suite, and automatically captures every request and response in a PCAP file that Wireshark can read. No more tangled proxy configurations, no more paid licenses, no more memory-hungry debuggers that crash under load. Fluxzy handles high-throughput traffic, keeps memory footprints tiny, and gives you a searchable log of every header and body. If you're tired of wrestling with bloated debuggers, switch to Fluxzy today. The UI is clean, the client is lightweight, and the engine is battle-tested on real-world traffic. Dive into Fluxzy now, explore the documentation, and start building your own interception rules in minutes. Check the link in the description, hit the subscribe button for more updates, and drop a comment if you have a feature request or a success story to share. Fluxzy, open source, powerful, and always ready to decode your traffic. You can also integrate Fluxzy with popular CI tools like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, or Jenkins by pulling the Docker image and feeding it a configuration file that defines which domains to intercept and which mutations to apply. The container starts in seconds, runs your test suite, and then outputs a zip file containing the captured PCAPs, HAR logs, and a summary JSON that you can feed into your reporting dashboard. Because everything runs locally, there's no risk of leaking sensitive data to third-party services. Plus, the community contributes plugins that add support for custom authentication schemes, automatic certificate rotation, and even real-time dashboards built with WebSockets. All of this stays under the same open-source license, so you can fork the project, add your own features, and give back to the ecosystem.